Good morning, everyone. Are you ready to kickstart your day with energy and balance? Today, we're discovering a topic that's crucial for all our diabetic friends out there: how to begin your morning with the right drink to stabilize your blood sugar and fuel your body. The first drink you consume each morning can profoundly affect your blood sugar levels throughout the day. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 7 delicious and diabetic-friendly morning drinks that are not only healthy but also easy to prepare. From antioxidant-packed green smoothies to refreshing lemon water, we'll explore how each drink can help manage your blood sugar and enhance your overall well-being. So, whether you're new to managing diabetes or looking for fresh ideas, stick around. You're about to discover your new favorite morning ritual. 1. Chia Seeds Drink. Chia seeds drinks have become increasingly popular due to their high nutrient density and health benefits. For diabetics, chia seeds offer numerous advantages, particularly in terms of blood sugar management and overall metabolic health. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and a variety of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. The high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber, helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that chia seeds can help improve glycemic control and reduce insulin resistance. One study found that incorporating chia seeds into a diet significantly reduced blood sugar spikes after meals. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in managing diabetes-related inflammation. Additionally, the protein content in chia seeds can help in maintaining satiety, potentially reducing the likelihood of overeating and supporting weight management, which is crucial for diabetics. To prepare a chia seeds drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a glass of water or unsweetened almond milk and let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes until the seeds swell. You can also add a splash of lemon or a few berries for extra flavor without adding significant sugar. 2. Unsweetened almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk is a nutritious and low-calorie alternative to dairy milk, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. It is naturally low in carbohydrates, which helps in managing blood sugar levels. Almond milk is low in calories and carbohydrates but high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and calcium. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce oxidative stress, which is often elevated in diabetics. The healthy fats in almond milk can also support heart health, which is important given the increased cardiovascular risk associated with diabetes. Research has indicated that low-carbohydrate diets can be effective in managing blood glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Unsweetened almond milk fits well into such a dietary pattern. Furthermore, the consumption of nuts, including almonds, has been associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes due to their nutrient profile and beneficial effects on blood sugar and lipid levels. When choosing almond milk, opt for unsweetened versions to avoid added sugars. Use it in your morning coffee, smoothies, or as a base for chia seeds drinks. It can also be enjoyed on its own or with a dash of cinnamon for added flavor. 3. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet effective morning drink that offers various health benefits for diabetics. It is refreshing, hydrating, and can help in managing blood sugar levels. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body against oxidative stress. They also contain soluble fiber, though in smaller amounts, which can aid in digestion and slow down the absorption of sugars. Studies have suggested that the polyphenols found in lemons and other citrus fruits can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood glucose levels. Additionally, the acidity of lemon juice may slow down the conversion of starches into sugar in your stomach, resulting in a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels after meals. To make lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning or throughout the day. For an added health boost, you can add a few slices of cucumber or a couple of mint leaves. Avoid adding sugar or honey, which can increase the carbohydrate content. 4. Green smoothies. Green smoothies have gained popularity as a nutritious, convenient, and delicious way to consume a variety of vegetables and fruits. For diabetics, green smoothies can be particularly beneficial due to their high fiber content, low glycemic load, and abundance of essential nutrients. Green smoothies typically contain leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These vegetables also provide minerals such as magnesium and potassium, which are crucial for maintaining normal blood sugar levels. The fiber in these greens slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that a diet high in leafy greens is associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The fiber in green smoothies helps improve glycemic control by reducing postprandial glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Additionally, the antioxidants found in green vegetables can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are common complications in diabetes. To make a diabetic-friendly green smoothie, use a base of leafy greens, add low-sugar fruits like berries or green apples, and include a source of healthy fats like avocado or chia seeds. Avoid adding sweeteners or high-sugar fruits like bananas and mangoes. 5. Herbal teas. Herbal teas, including those made from plants like chamomile, peppermint, and rooibos, offer a soothing and health-promoting beverage option for diabetics. These teas are naturally caffeine-free and packed with beneficial compounds that support metabolic health. Herbal teas are rich in polyphenols, which are plant compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help mitigate the risk factors associated with diabetes, such as chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Research has shown that certain herbal teas can positively affect blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. For instance, chamomile tea has been found to lower blood sugar levels and protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially helping to prevent the development of diabetic complications. Peppermint tea can aid in digestion and relieve gastrointestinal issues that are common in diabetics, while rooibos tea contains aspartame, a compound that has been shown to have anti-diabetic effects by helping to regulate blood sugar levels. To maximize the benefits, choose organic herbal teas without added sugars or artificial flavors. Drink them plain or with a splash of lemon for added flavor without impacting blood sugar. 6. Black coffee. Black coffee is a popular morning beverage that can offer significant benefits for diabetics when consumed in moderation and without added sugars or creamers. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to influence glucose metabolism. It also contains caffeine, which can improve mental alertness and physical performance. Several studies have indicated that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants in coffee can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. One large review found that each additional cup of coffee consumed per day was associated with a 7% reduction in the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, caffeine may enhance the short-term effects of insulin by reducing insulin resistance. For diabetics, it's crucial to drink coffee black or with minimal additives. Avoid high-calorie creamers and sweeteners that can negate the benefits. If you prefer a milder taste, consider adding a small amount of unsweetened almond milk or cinnamon. 7. Water. Water is the most essential and beneficial beverage for everyone, including diabetics. Staying well hydrated is critical for maintaining optimal bodily functions and controlling blood sugar levels. Water has no calories, sugar, or carbohydrates, making it the ideal drink for managing diabetes. Proper hydration helps the kidneys remove excess glucose through urine and maintains blood volume and circulation. Studies have shown that dehydration can lead to higher blood sugar levels, as the body produces more vasopressin, a hormone that increases blood glucose concentration. Adequate water intake can help prevent this and ensure better glycemic control. A study in Diabetes Care found that people who drank more than 1 liter of water per day had a 28% lower risk of developing high blood sugar levels compared to those who drank less. Diabetics should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, more if they are physically active or live in hot climates. Infusing water with slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint can enhance the flavor without adding sugar or calories.